Welcome back to English and English. This lesson helps you learn real daily English conversation in a slow, clear way. Today's topic is downsizing to a smaller home. You will hear a conversation between a daughter, Cindy, and her dad. If this lesson helps you, please subscribe to English and English. Now let's begin. Hi, Dad. Do you have a minute?
Sure, Cindy. What's going on?
I wanted to talk to you about the house.
The house. Okay, let's talk.
I know this is not an easy topic.
That's true, but it's okay.
Dad, you mentioned downsizing last week.
Yes, I did.
Can we talk about that again?
Of course.
Dad, what does downsizing mean exactly?
Downsizing means moving from a big house to a smaller home.
So, downsizing means less space?
Yes, less space and fewer rooms.
I see.
Our house is too big now.
Why does it feel too big?
Because it's just your mom and me now.
The house was full before.
Yes, when you and your brother lived here.
Now the rooms are empty.
That's right.
Empty means no one is using them.
Exactly.
Is it hard to take care of the house?
Yes, it is hard to maintain.
What does maintain mean?
Maintain means to take care of something. Cleaning, fixing, and keeping it in good condition.
Oh, I understand. A big house needs more work.
Yes, a lot more work.
Is it because you're getting older?
Yes, Cindy.
Is that okay to say?
Yes, it's okay. It's the truth.
You don't have the same energy as before.
That's right.
Energy means strength to do things.
Yes, very good.
Is money also a reason?
Yes, a big reason.
This house is expensive.
Yes, the expenses are high.
What are expenses?
Expenses are money we must pay.
Like bills.
Exactly. Electric bills, water bills, repairs.
A smaller house has fewer expenses.
Yes, that's why downsizing helps.
Dad, are you sad about moving?
Sometimes, yes.
This house has many memories.
Yes, very many memories.
Memories are things we remember from the past.
Correct.
Family dinners,
Holidays.
birthdays.
Yes, all here.
Is it hard to leave this house?
Yes, it's hard to let go.
What does let go mean?
Let go means to stop holding on to something, not just with hands, but with feelings too.
I understand. What kind of place are you looking for?
A smaller house or a condo.
What is a condo?
A condo is an apartment that you own.
Oh, I see. You want fewer stairs, right?
Yes, stairs are hard on the knees.
Do you want a place near stores?
Yes, we want something convenient.
What does convenient mean?
Convenient means easy to use or reach.
Like close to shops and hospitals.
Exactly.
What about all the stuff in the house?
That's the hardest part.
Stuff means things we own.
Yes, furniture, clothes, boxes.
Are you keeping everything?
No, we are sorting things.
Sorting means putting things into groups.
Very good.
What happens to the extra things?
Some we donate.
Donate means give to others for free.
Yes.
Some you sell,
Yes?
and some you keep.
Only what we really need.
I want to help you, Dad.
Thank you, Cindy. That means a lot.
You're not alone.
Having family support is important.
Support means help and care.
Yes, exactly.
Do you see good things about downsizing?
Yes, many good things.
Like what?
Less cleaning,
Less stress.
more free time.
That sounds nice.
It is.
Will your life change after moving?
Yes, a little.
In a good way.
Yes.
More relaxing?
More relaxing.
More time together?
Yes.
Dad, do you think downsizing is the right choice?
Yes, I do.
Even if it's hard?
Even if it's hard.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Cindy.
Thank you for watching English and English. If this lesson helped you learn new English words and real-life conversation, please subscribe. Question for you. Would you downsize to a smaller home in the future? Why or why not? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English. See you in the next lesson on English and English.